In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a UV sphere from a single vertex point. Let's select the cube. Tab, to go to edit mode, 1, to vertex select, and M, to merge at the center. G and X, to move on the X axis. Please hold the Control key to snap to the grid. Let's add 2 screw modifiers. Please match my settings. We can animate by decreasing the angle values to 0 on frame 1, and increasing them to the last frame 100, like this. I'm hovering the cursor on the angle values and pressing I, as in India, to set a new keyframe. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.